Have you ever gotten to the situation where you need to back up your motorcycle but can't get it to move? Help me! Well, I got a solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your motorcycle on a hill. This is extremely easy and anybody can do it. Now let's hop into it. For this example, let's say you park your bike facing downhill like so, and then a car comes and parks right in front of you. I've laid down these cones to represent the car. The car doesn't leave you enough room to just pull out around it, so now you have to back up. The issue is with you facing downhill, you're unable to back up your bike. This is where I come into play. All right, we're on the bike. Your very first step is obviously take it up off the kickstand, put the kickstand up, duh. After you get it off the kickstand, you're gonna make sure you're in neutral or you're not gonna be able to move. We're in neutral. Next, you're going to apply the front brake. Now the front brake is applied. Now you're going to stand up, use your body weight to push down on the handlebars. This is going to end up compressing your front suspension, just like this. After you put that downward pressure on the handlebars, you're going to lean back, pull back on the handlebars, and release the front brake at the same time. As you're pulling back, your front suspension is gonna decompress, giving you some momentum so you can roll back. Also, while you're doing this, make sure to use your legs to help you bring the bike backwards. Now, this is only gonna move your bike backwards about 6 to 8 inches every time, but you just repeat these steps until you're back far enough so you can pull out around the car. Now, let me go ahead and do a demo and show you guys how this works, and I'll walk you through it. All right, so we're on the bike. We're gonna take it up off of the kickstand. Make sure the bike is in neutral. It's in neutral. Now we're gonna apply the front brake, put the downward pressure, release the front brake, and pull back on the handlebars. Now we're gonna do this as many times as we need to, so that way I have enough space to get around this car. See, I'll completely release the front brake and show you I'm in a little hump right here that I can't get out of. So I'm not BSing you guys. I know we've all been there before. So now I'm just gonna keep on repeating these steps. Little by little. And now I'm almost out of that hump. And the harder you press down, the more compressed the forks will get, and you'll roll back even further. All right, I'm definitely back far enough. I could roll all the way back to the end of this parking spot, but I'm not going to. So obviously your last step is just to go out around the car. And of course, we're gonna use the technique that Robert Simmons uses. Right turn from a stop, first gear, turn the handlebars, look where you wanna go, put up the RPMs, be in the friction zone, and go around, baby. Speaking of parking, check out this video right here and I'll show you how to easily park your motorcycle like a pro. As always, this is Jogo with Jogo Motorcycle Adventures, and until next time, ride on.